Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11. To do this, go to the search and write here, Bluetooth and other devices. Here you turn on Bluetooth and add a device, here via Bluetooth, yes, respectively. If you have Bluetooth here, but you are sure that you have a Bluetooth adapter that does not work for some reason, then go to any browser and write Install Bluetooth driver Windows 11. That's it. And accordingly, we use Intel Wireless Bluetooth Driver Audio. Yes, click Download, accept the terms and conditions. That's it. Only from the official website, please download. Open the site, or rather the installation file, click Yes. So click Next, and we are installing all the drivers for the adapter. Everything is simple here. Further. Here, click Full and Install. And after installation, we use Bluetooth. Valor is with you. Goodbye, everyone.